Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making chicken with homemade kale pesto, and I hate kale, so this is gonna be good. Bring some salted water to a boil and add a handful of kale, and then wilt it for only about 30 seconds until it's bright green, and then take it out and put it on a plate to cool. Into a food processor, add a 1/3 cup raw pistachios, a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 garlic clove, and then puree until it's well blended. Then add your cooled kale and about an ounce of Parmesan cheese and blend it until it looks, well, rustic, whatever texture you like. Now is a great time to go ahead and prep your vegetables for the sauce. I decided to throw a big beefsteak tomato into mine, but that's totally optional. You're also going to want to mince or finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Heat up some olive oil in a nice saucepan, as Binging with Babish would say, and go ahead and season your chicken. We're going to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Measurements are arbitrary. And then we're going to just smear some pesto onto both sides of the chicken. Make sure to salt and pepper both sides too. Very important. And while we have a moment, all of the ingredients I used today, as well as the recipes I followed, will be linked in the description below. When the chicken is seasoned, cook it in your oiled pan for about 5 minutes on each side. I'm still trying to figure out this new camera, so the sauce is made from 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, the garlic cloves you minced earlier, the remainder of your pesto, 1 can of evaporated milk, salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it, sports fans. Go ahead and pull out your chicken, and it is looking nice and juicy. Ooh! Keep that same pan hot and add in your tomato and a little bit more oil if necessary. Now I'm cooking pasta to go with this, but you can really do it over rice or plain, live your life. Then we're going to add the sauce into that pan with the tomatoes and stir it around a little bit and bring it to a nice boil. Once the sauce is bubbling, go ahead and put the chicken back in just to heat through, and then when you're ready, serve up that beautiful pesto chicken. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is one of my favorite things I've ever cooked. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen again. See you next time.